Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're dealing with a 2020 GT500 Shelby. And as you can see, we're dealing with the parking brake fault. For the life of me, I can't understand why Ford would put an electronic parking brake on these cars without any kind of fail-safe device if these things lock up. So right now we're dealing with a locked up parking brake, and judging by what everything I've read and seen on the internet, it's going to turn out to be the parking brake switch. So we'll dive into it. So to remove the center console assembly to gain access to the brake switch, there's this panel here on the side that's going to remove. Right behind it's going to be two 7mm screws. These two 7mm screws are going to let this piece that's going to unsnap straight up. Same thing on the other side, and just lift your center console lid to gain access to prying the back up. There's going to be a key detector socket here that we're going to remove, wire harness sensor here we're going to remove, and wire harness sensor here we're going to remove. Connector, not sensor. Same thing on the driver's side, two 7mm screws after removing the little reveal panel. Something that I noticed, Ford pretty ingenious with these clips that just kind of stick on magnetically. Pretty genius, Ford. Forgot to mention on the removal of these screws, they torque T20 screws. 3 of them, and the switch pops right out. Okay, so now we got the switch out. Kind of got bored and wanted to open this thing up and kind of look at everything, make sure I didn't miss anything before I buy a new switch. Okay, got the switch opened up, looking at the solder joints. Nothing really jumps out at me, so I'm gonna dig a little deeper here. I think we found it. Clearly this is the reason why this thing is stuck. Cannot get unstuck with the switch broken like that. Tried messing with it a couple times, and it looks like it's getting worse and worse. Nothing left to do but order a new switch. Part number for the new switch from Ford. There's the new switch all installed. Put it all back together in reverse order. Okay guys, little thing I didn't show you before, and what kind of led me to believe with everything that I've read on the internet and seen on videos, the U2002 is a switch code. Kind of makes sense, but I always want to do my own testing, dig a little deeper and see what I can find. So we got the new switch installed. Parking brake works as it should. No more stuck in the garage. So for the life of me, I just can't understand why Ford wouldn't put some kind of bypass mechanism like they did for the park neutral safety switch. Don't understand it, but I'm no engineer. What do I know? Just glad we got it all worked out. I hope this helps somebody, because I couldn't find a whole lot of information, and obviously these things aren't that old yet to be having problems. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.